What is a reporting company under the Corporate Transparency Act, and what information must they report to FinCEN? I'm about to walk you through these things in this video. I'm Ted Sutton, and this is Direct Answers from Corporate Direct. Now, before we get started, please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any general questions about anything, especially if you have any questions about the Corporate Transparency Act. So what exactly is a reporting company under the Corporate Transparency Act anyway? Well, there are two types of reporting companies under the CTA. The first is a domestic reporting company. And a domestic reporting company is defined as an entity that is created by filing a document with the Secretary of State or any similar office of a state or Indian tribe. So, for example, if you're a U.S. resident and you set up a Wyoming LLC, because that LLC is filed with the Wyoming Secretary of State, it would be a domestic reporting company. And the second type of reporting company is a foreign reporting company. A foreign reporting company is defined as an entity that is formed in a foreign country and registered to do business in the U.S. by filing a document with the Secretary of State or any similar office of a state or Indian tribe. For example, if you have a corporation that's set up in Ireland and you register that Ireland corporation to do business with the Delaware Secretary of State, that Ireland corporation would be a foreign reporting company. And these domestic and foreign reporting companies can include corporations, LLCs, limited partnerships, statutory trusts, or any other entity that's created by filing a document with the Secretary of State. What entities aren't reporting companies, which means that they don't have to report their information to FinCEN? If the entity is not registered with the Secretary of State, it doesn't have to report their information to FinCEN. This can include sole proprietorships, general partnerships, and most trusts, because most trusts are not filed with the Secretary of State. So you may be thinking, well, if these entities don't qualify as reporting companies, maybe I should just operate as one of them. Well, you should hold your horses there, because if you operate as a sole proprietor or a general partnership and your business is sued, you're individually liable in that lawsuit. So while it's a burden that you're going to have to report stuff to FinCEN if you operate as an LLC or a corporation, for instance, they still offer the asset protection benefits in the event that your business is sued. So we still recommend staying away from sole proprietorships and general partnerships from the get-go. If your company is a reporting company, what information must you submit to FinCEN? Well, there are 5 pieces of reporting company information that FinCEN requires. Number 1, the full legal name of the reporting company. So if you have a company and you list a name on the Secretary of State's website, you would just use that name and report it to FinCEN. Number 2, any trade names or DBAs if your business has one. And these trade names or DBAs may be registered with a local jurisdiction. Number 3, a business street address that's also the principal place of business. For a foreign reporting company, it's the primary location where the foreign reporting company conducts business in the U.S. I should mention that this business street address does not include P.O. boxes, registered agent addresses, or other third-party addresses. The 4th piece of information that you need to report to FinCEN is the jurisdiction of formation. For a domestic reporting company, this is either the state or the tribe where your company's registered. Or for foreign reporting companies, it's the foreign country of formation. And 5th, reporting companies need to report a taxpayer identification number, or a TIN. So in most cases, this number is going to be your EIN number from the IRS. But it could also be a DUNS number, an LEI, which is a legal entity identifier, or a foreign tax identification number. If you have any general questions about the Corporate Transparency Act, please leave a comment below and I'd be happy to get around to it. Hold on, I'm not done yet. If you're looking to start a business, click the link in the description below and schedule a free 15-minute consultation with us. Also, make sure to check out the Corporate Direct website and subscribe to our newsletter, where we'll send you a lot of good information on corporate law amongst other things. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any general questions about anything. I'll see you next time.